Lo que vamos a hacer es un bonito en conserva y vamos a rellenar unos tomates con un poquito de mayonesa, un poquito de bonito, albahaca, chalota, y va a ser como una especie de ensaladilla para que los niños se coman algo más fresco para este verano.
Bienvenidos al nuevo Worten.
I've been around the world and never in my wildest dreams would I come running home to you. I've told a million lies, but now I tell a single truth. There's you in everything I do. Now remember when I told you that's the last you'll see of me. Remember when I broke you down to tears. I know I took the path that you would never want for me. I gave you hell through all the years. So
Worten, tecnología para todos.